Hello friend, I'm Oyewale Sunday. Thank you so much for clicking this video. In this video, I want to do pattern cutting using the manual method. You want to have a good understanding of how to do pattern cutting using the manual method. This video is for you. This video is just an outcut of a full course I have on this topic. Yes, to see the full course description column of this video, go in there. You're going to see a link in there, click it, and it's going to navigate you to a site where you can take a full course on this topic. Okay, right now I'd like you to give me a thumbs up for this video, subscribe if you're not a subscriber, click the bell button so you can get a notification on a subsequent upload on this platform, and again share to your friends. Let's go see how to cut the pattern out using the manual method. Coming in here, this method of manual way of drawing pattern is that method at which pattern cutting that you just come over, get your pattern around the last, add card drag the last, and then sketch that thing you want, that design you want, you sketch it on the last. So start sketching it right now. You starting, pull it round in here, and I come in here to start sketching it. I come to sketch this way. It is a sketch, not a drawing. This is R2. So I come over here and lap it in here. Just because we sketched it here, we sketched it on the last, definitely we're going to get this out. See what we've just gotten out? We got this out, and the next thing we're going to be doing right now is just to take another stripe that comes in like this. You can see this way we've been able to get it out. You can see the work of the last. You can't really sketch anything. You can't get a pattern if you don't have a last. Getting an accurate pattern, you need a last to get your accurate pattern out. So going to the next thing right now, we will be working on the next stripe of it. So I've gotten the back out. I then come over. I come over to cut another cardboard in here now to sketch for the front. Lap it this way, okay, this way. This is just excessively long. Reduce it that way. This is coming in here like this. It will come in here this way, and this is coming like this. Okay, coming like this, and this will also come like this. This is a complete pattern done with it. Okay, right in here, this is balance, and this is a freehand cut, a manual way of cutting this pattern out. Here it is. This is balance. As you can see, we'll be able to cut it out. It's just as easy as this. Just get to sketch on it. At the time you sketch on it, then this will then can get arrived at this. Just freehandly cut it out and then trace the portion at which you cut out. You drafted out, trace it out, and at this point you have this. It is just as easy as this. Very, very easy. Try it. Try it. Yes, that is out. So hey, thank you for watching today's time. Hope you like what you're saying. Yeah, that is just how to get it done. This pattern cutting, that is just how to get it out. I have, as I said, I have a full course on this topic I just showed you in there. The link in the description. Go in there, click the link, and the link is going to navigate you to where you can see a full course of this. I'm Oyewale Sunday. I'd like you to give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not a subscriber, click the bell button to get a notification of our subsequent upload, and I would like you to share it to your friends. The online courses at your convenience is free. It's right now on my platform. Never stop learning.